In this video, we will be talking about finding the derivative of a cosine function. So let's say we have cos u, and u is an inner function. Then the derivative of that cos function will be minus sine u times u prime. So this is essentially a chain rule, and this will make more sense with a few examples. So in this case, our inner value would be x, because we have x in the cosine. The derivative of that will be simply 1. So using the formula, the derivative of this will be minus sine x times minus 1, which is equal to minus sine x. And here is our final answer. In our next example, we see that the inner function u is equal to 3x to the power of 4. U prime, the derivative will be 12x to the power of 3. Now, the derivative of cos 3x to the power of 4 will be minus sine, and you keep everything on the inside first, times 12x to the power of 3. And let's rearrange everything, so it will be minus 12x to the power of 3 times sine 3x to the power of 4. And here is the final answer. In this example, we can see that u is equal to minus 2x to the power of 3. U prime will be minus 6x to the power of 2. So let's apply the formula. So minus sine, keep everything on the inside, 2x to the power of 3 times u prime. So it will be minus 6 x to the power of 2. And we see that the minus signs cancel out. So the final answer would be 6x to the power of 2 times sine minus 2x to the power of 3. And this is our final answer. In our next example, we can see that we have cos 2x and then x squared. So we would have to apply the product rule as well. So remember, the product rule will be f of x. So f of x will be cos 2x. G of x will be x to the power of 2. F prime of x will be minus sine 2x, and then the derivative of 2x will be 2, and then g prime of x will be 2x. So the derivative of this will be f of x times g prime of x. So cos 2x times 2x plus f prime of x times g of x. So it would be minus sine 2x times 2 times x to the power of 2. And the final answer would be, let's rearrange everything, 2x cos 2x minus 2x squared times sine 2x. And this is our final answer. In our next example, we see that we have a cos and a sine. So the inner function will be sine. So u is equal to sine x. U prime will be cosine x. So now let's find the derivative of this. So it would be minus sine, keep everything on the inside, so sine x times cosine. And this is our final answer. In our next example, we have cos root x. So our inner function is root x, which is also equal to x to the power of 1/2. The derivative of that will be 1/2 times x to the power of 1/2. So now let's find the derivative of cos root x. So the formula is minus sine root x times u prime. So u prime in this case will be 1/2 times x to the power of negative 1/2. And let's rearrange everything. So it would be minus 1/2 times x to the power of negative 1/2 times sine root x. And this could further be simplified to minus 1/2 times root x times sine root x. Oops. And this is our final answer. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see any other topics on this channel, please let me know. Thank you for watching.